Welcome to Keys to Success, presented by FreedomProject Academy. I'm Mary Black, Educational Advisor. Let's begin by discussing the things that need to be done before the first day of school. The first is the completion of all required placement tests no later than the first week of August. The Friday of that week is the deadline for all course and class enrollments and changes. It is sometimes necessary to make changes or enroll in a different class after reviewing a placement test score. Finalized placement is necessary in order to do the next things to prepare for school. The second and equally important thing that should be done no later than the first week of August is to order books. Tips: order from our website. If you purchase a book elsewhere, be certain to check the ISBN number to make sure that it is exactly the same as the one listed on the website before ordering it and after receiving it. Teachers are not responsible for accommodating different books. Books with different ISBNs vary in pagination and content. Teachers begin instruction and assign work on the first day of school. Not having books is not an accepted excuse for not meeting a due date for an assignment. Teachers will not scan pages for those who do not have books. At FPA, we foster personal responsibility, and ordering books in a timely manner is the responsibility of the family. If you have not read the Parent-Student Handbook, please do so. We enforce our due date policy from day one. A few weeks before school begins, you'll receive an orientation packet that will provide step-by-step directions to set up your technology. Do this before the first day of school. We can't guarantee immediate responses to those who find they need help on the first day. Not having your technology set up will not entitle the student to an extension due date under the category of technical issues. Technical issues refer to internet and power outages that prevent the use of scanners and other technology. This list that I titled Main Reasons for Frustration and Failure is based upon our experience. Not having books on the first day of school puts a student behind from day one. Missing class on the first day leads to failure and frustration because very important information about the class is provided in detail on that day. Not being familiar with our technology before the first day usually results in the student missing the class and unable to submit assignments. Please take our word for this. Recovering from a slow start is almost impossible. Many have tried, and only a few have succeeded. Now we'll address how to succeed in the classroom. Attendance is essential. We strongly encourage all students to attend live class. The interaction and engagement that occurs in live class is what makes FPA unique. Parents are expected to notify teachers if the student is not able to attend live class. Be in class on time. It is very disrupting to the teacher and the other students if someone comes in late. The flow of presenting the lesson and focusing on the lesson are lost when someone arrives late and expects to be caught up with what has been presented prior to their late arrival. Stay until the end of class. It is rude to walk out on something you attend in person and it's rude to walk out of live class. Students are responsible for everything said in class from beginning to end. Attendance is essential to success in the classroom, but participating in the class is the key to getting the most from the instruction. What does participation in an FPA classroom look like? Your microphone works. You are prepared to discuss the assigned reading or for any oral participation assigned in live class. Volunteer to answer questions and respond when called upon. The third key to succeeding in class is paying attention. This means no music during class, no chatting, texting, or gaming in class, not doing homework in class. Multitasking during class leads to failure. Assignment sheets are available on the class Canvas page. The instructions and details for all assignments are found on the assignment sheet. Know where the assignment sheet is located and print it. The student is responsible for any assignment listed on the assignment sheet and following the instructions for completing the assignment. Do not rely on the Canvas to-do list because it doesn't show assignments until the day those assignments are due. This may result in having insufficient time to complete an assignment that was assigned previously and intended to take a few days. Good study habits are crucial to success. The study habits listed have been discussed previously, but are important enough to repeat. Start assignments on the day they are assigned, not on the day they are due. Teachers give assignments with appropriate amounts of time to complete them. Waiting until the day an assignment is due may result in a workload that is overwhelming. Please remember that this is not the intention or the fault of the teacher. Do not listen to music, chat with friends, or text when completing assignments. This will diminish the quality of work and extend the time needed to complete it. Again, multitasking leads to failure. Study tools are those things that may help you to improve your study habits. The first tool will help you to organize multiple assignment sheets. A study map can be arranged in two ways. The days of the week can go across the top and the courses can be put down the side. Or if you prefer, put the courses across the top and the days down the side. Take each study sheet that you have and fill in what you are supposed to do or submit for each day of the week for that course. For English, your study map might show that on Monday you are to read chapter 2. On Tuesday, you have a grammar assignment. Wednesday shows that the grammar assignment is due. On Thursday, you are to write a summary about chapter 2 in the book you read on Monday and should prepare for a quiz on chapters 1 and 2. On Friday, you are to submit your summary and take the quiz in Canvas. Filling out the study map will help you to be organized and make good use of your time. The second study tool that I recommend is outlining. It will help you to comprehend what you are reading in your textbooks. Notice how the outline goes from the main idea to smaller detail in a manner that organizes the content. It may seem like a waste of time, but if you use this regularly, you will learn how to do it quickly with minimal writing. The secret is just enough to make the outline a brief review of the material you read. Outlining has the benefit of helping you to better comprehend what you are reading. What is said in class is important. Note-taking is important when it comes to remembering what was said in class. My example shows that writing down the important things said in class doesn't have to be recorded in lengthy detail. A few key words can recapture the key points. Again, this will take practice, but it is a skill that will serve you well throughout your life. It will help you to stay focused in class, as well as to know the important things that you should focus on when you are studying. Parents, this section is for you. We consider we have been invited into a partnership with you to educate your child. Our role is to teach and grade your students' work. Now we'll discuss your role in our partnership. The first and foremost role that you as parents have is involvement. The 4 components to effective involvement are supervision, responding to correspondence from teachers and the school within 48 hours, providing parental accountability, and reviewing progress reports and your students' grades on a regular basis. Again, I remind you, please read the Parent-Student Handbook before school starts. The policies are enforced, whether you have read it or not. It is posted on our website. The second part of the parental role is to identify and help your student when he or she is struggling. Check with your student on the points we have previously discussed. Are they attending and attentive in class? Are they completing and submitting assignments on time? Are they struggling with study habits? If your student is concerned or struggling with something said in class, use the class recording to find out for yourselves what was said in class. That will help you to address your students' concerns. If the reasons for your student struggles are still not apparent, please contact the teacher. Do not wait. The snowball effect of being too far behind to catch up happens very quickly. You as parents need to be on the lookout for this along with the teachers. We must work together for the success of your student. Struggling students should be encouraged to attend teacher talk and Friday tutoring. More information about these can be found in the handbook and our website. Thank you for joining us to learn the keys to success.